Lithuania, a beautiful Baltic country, is known for its lush forests, pristine lakes, and rich cultural heritage. While the capital, Vilnius, and coastal towns like Klaipėda draw many visitors, the country is also home to charming, lesser-known villages that offer an authentic experience of Lithuanian life. These hidden gems remain largely untouched by mass tourism, providing an intimate view of the country's traditions, landscapes, and history. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most captivating hidden villages in Lithuania, each offering its own unique appeal and adventure. Let's uncover these treasures together. Number 1. Kernavė, Vilnius County. Kernavė, located in Vilnius County, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Lithuania's most historically significant villages. Nestled along the Neris River, it is home to ancient hill forts, archaeological sites, and beautiful landscapes. The village offers visitors a glimpse into Lithuania's pre-medieval past, with the remains of fortifications and burial mounds dating back to the 5th century. Kernavė also hosts annual festivals celebrating traditional Lithuanian culture, such as the Pagan Festival. With its rich history, tranquil surroundings, and the peaceful Neris River, Kernavė is a perfect destination for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Number 2. Rumšiškės, Kaunas District. Rumšiškės, located in the Kaunas District, is an open-air museum that allows visitors to experience traditional Lithuanian rural life from centuries past. The village showcases authentic wooden farmhouses, windmills, and barns, which have been carefully preserved to give a glimpse into the country's agricultural roots. Walking through Rumšiškės, visitors can explore the way of life from different regions of Lithuania, complete with cultural exhibits and demonstrations of traditional crafts. The village is surrounded by lush nature, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. Rumšiškės provides an immersive experience into the heart of Lithuanian heritage and is a must-visit for those interested in folk traditions. Number 3. Šiauliai County, Šiauliai. Šiauliai County, in northern Lithuania, is home to several hidden villages that boast lush greenery, picturesque farms, and unique traditions. One of the notable attractions is the Hill of Crosses, a pilgrimage site with thousands of crosses placed by locals and visitors as a symbol of faith. The nearby villages are peaceful, offering a traditional Lithuanian way of life. These rural communities maintain a deep connection to nature, where visitors can enjoy local hospitality, explore quaint farms, and experience the quiet beauty of Lithuania's countryside. Šiauliai County offers an authentic rural escape for those seeking a slower pace and historical intrigue. Number 4. Nida, Klaipėda County. Nida, located in Klaipėda County, is a peaceful village on the Curonian Spit, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The village is known for its stunning sand dunes, pine forests, and serene beaches. Nida's traditional wooden houses, with their intricate designs, blend beautifully with the surrounding natural landscape. Visitors can explore the village's maritime history at local museums, take a relaxing walk along the shoreline, or venture into the surrounding forests for hiking. Nida's tranquil atmosphere makes it an ideal destination for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy Lithuania's unspoiled beauty. Number 5. Vilkija, Kaunas District. Vilkija, located along the Nemunas River in Kaunas District, is a charming village known for its scenic landscapes and historical significance. The village is a great spot for those interested in Lithuanian folklore, with numerous legends tied to the area. Visitors can explore the cobbled streets, visit traditional wooden houses, and enjoy the peaceful views of the river. Vilkija is also famous for its historical churches, and its location offers many opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities. With a welcoming atmosphere and strong cultural ties, Vilkija provides an authentic Lithuanian village experience, perfect for exploring traditions and natural beauty. Number 6. Anykščiai, Utena County. Anykščiai, located in Utena County, is a beautiful village surrounded by vast forests and the scenic Šventoji River. Known for its famous wooden church, which is one of the tallest in Lithuania, visitors can walk through the forest trails and enjoy the peaceful surroundings, or visit the Anykščiai Regional Park to discover its natural wonders. The village is also home to the Museum of Angels, which displays hand-carved angel sculptures created by local artisans. Anykščiai offers a peaceful retreat where visitors can connect with both nature and culture. Number 7. Trakai, Vilnius County. Trakai, located just outside of Vilnius, is a historic village known for its stunning medieval castle on an island in Lake Galve. The village itself offers a picturesque setting, with charming streets lined with colorful wooden houses and tranquil lakeside views. Trakai is a popular destination for those looking to experience Lithuania's history, with the Trakai Island Castle being a must-see. Visitors can also explore the surrounding national parks, enjoy local Karaim cuisine, or take a boat ride across the lake. With its unique atmosphere, Trakai offers a wonderful mix of culture, history, and natural beauty. Number 8. Zervinos, Varina District. Zervinos, located in Varina District, is a small village that offers a rare look at traditional Lithuanian architecture and village life. Known for its wooden houses, barns, and traditional farm structures, Zervinos maintains a close connection to the land. Visitors can wander through its quiet streets and experience the slow-paced rural life that has been unchanged for generations. The village is surrounded by beautiful forests, perfect for hiking and nature walks. Zervinos offers a peaceful, authentic experience for those seeking to explore Lithuania's rural traditions and stunning natural surroundings. Number 9. Maironys Village, Kaunas. Maironys Village, located near Kaunas, is a small but picturesque village that boasts a rich literary history. It is named after Maironys, one of Lithuania's most famous poets, who once lived in the area. The village offers visitors a peaceful retreat with its traditional wooden houses and lush greenery. Maironys Village also features several landmarks related to the poet's life and works, making it a perfect destination for literary enthusiasts. Surrounded by nature, visitors can enjoy the serene environment and explore the village's literary history, making Maironys Village a hidden gem for culture and tranquility. Number 10. Pagramantis, Torridge County. Pagramantis, located in Torridge County, is a charming village known for its beautiful landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Situated along the picturesque river Minija, Pagramantis is perfect for those who enjoy nature and traditional Lithuanian life. Visitors can explore the village's historical sites, including old churches and traditional wooden houses. These 10 hidden villages across Lithuania offer an authentic experience of the country's rich cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and deep-rooted traditions. Whether you're visiting historic sites like Kernave, exploring the serene shores of Nida, or discovering the rich folklore in Vilkija, each village offers something unique. These gems provide a peaceful escape from the crowds and an opportunity to experience Lithuania's true beauty. If you're looking to connect with local culture, nature, and history, these hidden villages are the perfect destinations to explore and enjoy the charm of rural Lithuania.